Alright, so what is up, you guys? We are out here once again, and in this video we're working on Jose's car. So basically what Jose's doing right now is just he's disconnecting his fuel lines for a very awesome reason. The awesome reason is that we're going to be pulling this engine out today. So yeah, the whole gist of this video and the goal is we're just going to try and get the engine out as quickly as possible, because I don't think we ever discussed it, but his car died at one of the Piedmont events, so we're going to rebuild the engine. So I guess we're going to have not another full series, like in-depth detail of building the KA, but yeah, we're going to have another KA build on the channel right now, and it's going to be awesome. And we're going to get his car running tip-top shape, and he's also looking in to do a full makeover on his car too. So both of our cars are about to look fresh, and we're going to get them all stylish and everything, and back up to tip-top shape. And yeah, so I guess we'll just go through and show you our day trying to pull this engine out.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys even like knew this, but for Jose's car we just took my old intercooler piping, and that's supposed to go to the idle air control valve. So I guess it would have somewhat worked if we had it hooked up right, but we just rigged it up and it worked. It worked perfectly fine for that event until his car died.
Wait, no, that bitch comes out the other way.
Alright, you guys, so we've came a long way, and literally I'd have to say in like less than an hour we got the exhaust manifold off just to get the power steering pulley off, and then we got basically the whole harness is all undone, got the intake off, radiator fluids drained, still got to drain the oil and do the training bolts. I think the training bolts is like the last thing we gotta do right now, but yeah, basically the whole engine's ready to come out, so we're like right there. So here in the next couple seconds for you guys, we're gonna be pulling the sucker out. Alrighty, so the engine is out and is just sitting right over here. But yeah, we got the engine out within like an hour basically, and it didn't take like any effort at all. He had a lot of stuff deleted on the car already, like EGR type stuff and whatnot. But now we're gonna go back and delete a lot of the like stuff that's underneath the intake. If you guys don't already know, we're gonna rebuild it and put it back in the car. I don't know if I mentioned that at the beginning of the video or not, but yeah, we're not really swapping anything crazy into this car. We're just making the engine tip-top shape, and we're gonna get it back in there, and he'll be able to go out there and shred some more. And yeah, that's the goal for the car right now, and we're gonna clean it up a lot. I think he wants to paint it maybe. I'm not sure if he wants to do any type of aero or whatever, but yeah, he's got plans for the car, and we're going to try and film as much of it as possible and give you guys some content. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys haven't already, please do like and subscribe. Follow us on social media. If you guys have any questions about what we're doing over here, even though it looks like we're not, even though it looks like we don't know anything of what we're doing, but we mess with a lot of KAs on the channel, and if you guys want to ask any questions, feel free to reach out on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, anything, and we'll hit you guys up. We'll message you back and everything like that. So hit us up, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. So later, you guys.